Good evening and welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 3rd to the 15th. Heights continue to rise across the nation as the westerlies retreat north. A ridge is forecast well offshore of the west and the east coast over the next week. Two significant systems are expected in the westerlies. The first system in the main band of the westerlies is expected to clear the coast by Tuesday, with rain from Florida to New England. The second system is forecast to across the northwest and into the plains by then sheer northeastward by the end of next week. Now, I'm going to look here. This is the GFS model. And hurricane season opens up tomorrow, and their models are forecasting tropical developing in the Gulf of Mexico or Northwest Caribbean. And we're going to go look forward now, and I'm going to show you where the system develops. You can start seeing it appear right here. There it is here. And then it goes across Florida, bringing heavy rain. And then look where it goes, sort of like up the East Coast. So this has to be watched. And as I mentioned before, whether or not a tropical system develops over the Eastern Gulf, it appears that the high precipitable water air mass currently in place across southern Florida may produce heavy rainfall across this region. Okay, now we're going to look at the rest of the forecast period. I'm looking at the period for June 6th to the 10th, and the ensembles are in agreement with the 500 millibar circulation for June 6th to the 10th, and forecast a trough over western Alaska. Right here, and the east central U.S. A ridge is forecast over central Canada and the western Atlantic. The high-resolution aero models are further west with this ridge and depicts it along the southeast and mid-Atlantic. Models continue to indicate a subtropical low to form over the eastern Gulf of Mexico and moving northwards towards the eastern Gulf Coast. We've got to wait and see how that goes. So, temperature forecast for this period is above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere for precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast here, and above normal precipitation is forecast along the east coast. But I think particularly this area here with the subtropical system. Okay, now I'm going to look at the period for June 11th to the 15th. A trough is forecast over western Alaska, along the west coast, and in the east. Here's our trough here. A ridge is forecast over the northern plains. Oh, that's the wrong one. A ridge is forecast here, a trough here. The ensemble spaghetti diagram indicate moderate to large spread for this period. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, and for New England, near normal elsewhere for precipitation, forecasting still below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for along the east coast. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for June 3rd to the 15th. Thank you for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.